What was Allah doing before He created us? Right, you have probably questioned this before. I have. I did my research and found the answer. Let's start then. What was Allah doing before He created us and the universe? The root of this problem is the wrong understanding of the words pre-eternity and time. Since humans live in a specific time and place, we make a mistake by considering every action according to a time concept and even thinking about the eternity in a time concept. The question is the result of this mistake. Time is the unique concept which started with the creation of creatures that includes the chain of events. All living creatures move and live according to that time concept. Creation of the living beings, their changes, their aging, and their death all happen in that time concept. It's a relative concept that consists of the past, now, and the future. The moment we live in was the future just a moment ago, but it will be called the past in just a moment. These and everything similar to this is relative to the living beings. So, century, year, day, today, tomorrow is only an issue for the creation. When it comes to pre-eternity, eternity is not an infinity in a timeline. In pre-eternity, there is no past, now, the future, creation, and place. Minds aren't able to imagine a timeline for the pre-eternity. Time can be split into units like century, year, month, day, second, moment, but pre-eternity can't. A starting point cannot be imagined for a pre-eternity. Pre-eternity is all about the eternal existence being only limited to the Allah who is timeless. There is one point we miss. Time is an attendant servant of Allah just like the sun. Its duty is to wear out the matter. Since if a creator is dependent to its creation, it can't be the creator. Allah is timeless. He is out of the timeline. There is no time for Him. Since we can't put Him in a timeline, it doesn't make any sense to say before Allah or after Allah. Also, time is a perception. Einstein, the greatest scientist of the 20th century, has said in his theory of relativity that time is just a perception. Since time is just a perception, it is totally about the person perceiving. Just like how the sun is a creation, created for us to be enlightened and warm, time is just a creation, created to wear us out and let the universe collapse when it's the time. Allah the Almighty is not dependent on the time just like any of His creation. So that's why questions like what is Allah doing now, what was He doing before He created the universe doesn't make any sense.